Bats are great little helpers to have around your cottage. They eat mosquitoes after all. They tend to become more active around the time that insects first hatch in springtime. You might notice them swooping around your cottage at dusk and at dawn. And you might also notice the stench of guano and urine. As much as they're helpful, you probably want them to stay outside. But sometimes a bat will get inside. If that does happen, try not to panic. It's a solvable situation. If you see a little swooper inside, the first thing you want to do is offer the bat an obvious exit. A door or a window will do the trick. And then it's just a waiting game until the bat finds it. But if it doesn't want to move and it's clinging to your wall or to your curtains, try covering it with a plastic container. An empty Tupperware or a margarine tub will do. Then slide a sturdy piece of cardboard underneath. Wear thick gloves while you're doing this, just in case you come into contact with its claws. Then release it outside to gobble up all those mosquitoes.